Tonight we're really going to start to talk about some of these big pieces here about, all right, where are we at? And in some ways it's kind of crazy. It feels like we've been doing this forever, right? In some ways we've been doing this for, many weeks. And in the other senses is we're sort of just still like coming into the part where you're going to see a lot of real progress and momentum happening over the next few weeks as we start to pull this into a manuscript. So tonight we're going to start to talk a little bit about this sort of next phase, sort of set the stage for what's coming a little bit as we go from kind of raw content creation into manuscripting. Come on in. Welcome. I'm going to throw you into one of the firing squad spots here, if that's okay. Tonight we're, again, sort of focusing on the very first parts of this idea of manuscripting. And manuscripting is just one of those things that I think oftentimes it feels a little bit intimidating to think about creating a manuscript. You've been creating stories that feel safe. You've got this introduction you've been creating. But now we're going to go into this next phase where it really is about starting to turn all this into what hopefully will become a book.